Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to check your hard disk or SSD health status in a Windows PC. So, let's start. At first, go to the Run command by click Windows plus R key, or search from Windows search box. Now, type CMD and click on OK. After this, type WMIC and press Enter. Now, type disk drive get status and press Enter. Friends, if the drive status is OK, then your HDD or SSD health is in good condition, and if it is not OK, then please transfer all your data to another HDD or SSD. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.